In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design social media post in Canva. We'll move from a blank idea to a polished post that's ready to share, keeping things simple and clear as we go. First, open Canva. In the search bar at the top, type the platform you are designing for, like Instagram post, or click Create a Design to set custom dimensions if you need a specific size. Choosing the correct canvas at the start helps prevent cropping or blurry images later. Next, decide whether you want to use a template or start from scratch. Templates are great for speed and inspiration. Browse by style or theme and pick one that suits your message. If you prefer full control, choose a blank page so you can build your layout step by step. Now customize your content. Click any text to edit it and adjust the font to match your brand's tone: bold and modern, or elegant and minimal. Keep your color palette consistent with your branding by updating text, backgrounds, and accents. Aim for strong contrast for readability, especially on mobile screens. Keep your headline short and clear, with supporting text that's easy to scan. Add imagery to bring the design to life. In the Uploads tab, bring in your own photos or logos. You can also search Canva's library for high-quality images and graphics. Drag and drop shapes, lines, and icons to build structure and visual interest. Stick to a consistent style. Matching line weights, icon styles, and photo filters help everything feel cohesive. Take a moment to format and align. Use the alignment tools to center or distribute elements evenly, and turn on guides to keep spacing consistent. Group items that belong together so they move as a unit, and lock elements that shouldn't shift while you edit. This keeps your layout balanced and prevents accidental changes. If you want interactivity, highlight text and click the link icon to add a URL. Keep in mind that links are clickable in PDFs and some digital formats. But most static image posts won't support live links on certain platforms. When you are ready, click Share to download your image or publish it directly to your social platform. Choose the right file type and quality for your needs. And do a quick preview to make sure text is legible, colors look right, and nothing important is too close to the edges. That's it. Thanks for watching.